is a lilac-breasted roller.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
It's very common, you see it today.
Can you show it to us? They're beautiful. The lilac, you know that? They're very common in pots too.
Whenever we are having a meal, they must come.
They're naughty.
No, they love food.
Beautiful, they're beautiful.
So if you kill this one in Uganda, you are not safe. Your 7 will be on your neck.